As a self-taught developer, you can build projects, ship features, even get a job, and still feel like you're one question away from being exposed. Online, it looks inspiring. Clean portfolios, got hired in 6 months, late-night grind posts. But behind the scenes, it's uncertainty, isolation, constant self-doubt. And if you're self-taught, you've probably felt it. The first dark side is simple. You don't know what you don't know. There's no professor correcting you, no structured syllabus, no one reviewing your code. You can build multiple projects and still have no idea if your fundamentals are weak. And that becomes a problem later, in interviews, in scaling systems, in deeper technical discussions. Then there's isolation. When you're stuck at midnight debugging something, it's just you. No classmates, no study groups, no shared struggle. You win alone, you fail alone. That silence builds pressure. And then comes imposter syndrome. You walk into a room full of CS grads, they talk about concepts you've barely heard of, and in your head you think, I just learned this from YouTube. You might be skilled, but you don't feel legitimate. Another hidden issue is the knowledge gap. As a self-taught developer, you learn what's exciting, frameworks, projects, shipping things fast, but you often skip the boring fundamentals, data structures, system design, core theory. Not because you're lazy, because no one forced you to learn them, and those gaps show up later. There's also no finish line. In college, you graduate. As self-taught, you're constantly asking, am I ready yet? That uncertainty is exhausting. But here's the other side. When you're self-taught, no one handed you a path. You built it. No one forced you to study. You chose to. That builds ownership. It builds resilience. It builds the ability to learn anything without waiting for permission. Being self-taught isn't easier. It's harder. It's lonelier. But if you survive it and fix your gaps instead of ignoring them, you don't just become a developer. You become someone who can teach themselves anything. And in tech, that might be your biggest advantage.